Alright, so what I'm seasoning these pork cutlets, these center cut fillets with is a little bit of my Uncle Brisket's brisket and butt rub. We're going to season both sides of these bad boys. Alright, so we're seasoning these pork fillets with some Uncle Brisket's brisket and butt rub. You can find that on our website, eastgatebarbecue.com. You can find it at canadas.com or gnjcurbside.com. Check it out. Alright, so I'm chopping Brussels sprouts. We're going to do a bacon with a little pinch of brown sugar and a lot of olive oil and a little bit of avocado oil on these Brussels sprouts and see how they come out. A little bit of brown sugar, a little more Uncle Brisket's rub, a packet of soy sauce, and a little bit of salt. We're going to coat that really nicely with the olive oil and the avocado oil and throw that in a frying pan with some bacon. Alright, I got some bacon chopped up here, sizzling. We're going to pull that out in a second and throw the Brussels sprouts in with a little extra olive oil and then throw the bacon back in at the end. Okay, I got these bad boys down, face down. We're running them for 9 minutes. I'm about to put the lid on and let those things roast. Alright, we've been on about 5 minutes on each side. Hopefully they look good. A little bit overdone. That one looks great. That one looks a little black. A little bit toasty. A little bit toasty. And this one on this side looks pretty. We're going to move this over. Going to move this over. Move this on. Going to move this over. We're going 5 more minutes. 3 good ones. Feel a little crunchy. Alright, so I made a couple adjustments. Closed off most of this. Closed off these sides and let it roast for a little while. Should look a lot better now. Let's see what we got on this flip side. Yeah, that looks nice.